My name is Chef Fran, and today I am choosing to make a turkey apple panini. So we have our multi-grain bread here. We have some carved turkey slices, some cheddar cheese, some pepper jack cheese, some apple slices. Of course, my apples are starting to oxidize a little bit, and just a little bit, a pinch of like Himalayan salt and black pepper. Now, panini is an Italian sandwich, usually made with Italian bread, but you really can do it with any bread, you know. This is our world and we're free to do whatever we want, right? So we are gonna get into our vitamin content and we're gonna make ourselves a turkey apple panini hot press sandwich. Our turkey apple panini has multi-grain bread, turkey, carved slices, cheddar cheese, pepper jack, green apples, and a little bit of pinch of Himalayan salt and black pepper. So our multi-grain bread has folate, iron, magnesium, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, and selenium. Pepper jack cheese, vitamins A, B12, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. Our green apple slices has vitamins A, C, and lots of fiber. Let's get the pepper jack down first, actually. Definitely breaking. So now we're gonna add our turkey. Although my partner's not here, still got a crew. They gotta eat too. So they can eat some of this stuff. Sandwich with me. We can eat together, all right? Nothing fancy, you know, just making a sandwich. You're gonna throw it on the grill, let it melt up. Okay. Now we want to turn around and add just a little bit more cheese, because your cheese really is your adhesive. It is your glue. It is what helps make things stick. Remember that. So, put another little pepper jack here. We're gonna put our apples, and we don't want anything falling out, so this is why we need the adhesive. Okay, so now we're gonna take some apple slices that I thinly sliced up. Now you can add more meat if you want. I wouldn't, but you know, to each his own. Some people like, you know, a nice, thick, hearty, meaty sandwich. So, okay. This is where I'm gonna actually just take a little bit of Himalayan salt and sprinkle this up. Okay. Take a little black pepper. Yeah, that's right. On the apples, we're putting some black pepper on it, people. Okay. Just add that there. We do have it here. We might add a little bit more meat. So, again, so this doesn't get away from us, we will add our cheese here. Some more cheese. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. All right. Add this here, but then we can add a little bit more apples to it. What you think, guys? And again, who doesn't love cheese? I think, speaking of which, I think I'm gonna add a little bacon to one sandwich. So I got my little bacon on here. Yeah, it's a big sandwich, I know, guys, but we're gonna press it down. So I'm just gonna put a little mayo outside. Some people sometimes will put like melt, you know, they'll put butter, but butter burns quicker, so I tend to use mayo. Make sure your grill is hot. I'm using a grill. Many people use like their panini presses. They'll use a panini press itself, or they will use like another type of like grill, you know. My marks are going to be a little different. They're not going to be your straight marks usually from grilling. Mine will be kind of like checkered. The key is to make sure you have your cheese. You want to face this flat down here on the grill. Okay. Face this flat down. Make sure everything's here. And what I am going to do is put the press down on this one. And turn up my heat just a little bit. Now, my grill also has a lid to it. I may do that because it will help it. I'll have to remove the press, but I'll help melt the cheese more. So I have to do the other side, so I'm gonna hold on to this. And so now we wait. See how cheese is bubbling, it's melting. So always when you want something to kind of melt or cook a little faster, always putting a lid on your pot, or in my case, I have a grill that has a lid that just helps it to cook a little faster, boil faster, or melt. My panini sandwich, you hear that? I like the fact that you can hear this little crust. Yeah. So this one has no bacon, so we're gonna cut this one first. And put on a plate. Ooh. Look at that. Ooey. Ooh. So put this right here. That goodness right here. Okay. And wow, look at all that cheese gushing out. And then here we'll do this one, which has the bacon. This one's mine, by the way, guys. I guess I'll share the other half with someone. Look, look, look. I know you can't really see the bacon here, but it's here. I promise. Or is this the bacon? Yeah, it's right there, the bacon. I didn't put a lot of bacon on it, but yeah. But yummy, yum. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. Well, you see me make the sandwich. You've seen it on the grill. And I think it came out pretty neat. Look at this. Beautiful. The cheese melted nice. It had that crisp. Can you hear that, guys? Yeah, I like that. It gives a nice crust to it. And this is for my crew. I love bacon. I'm a bacon girl, so this one has bacon in it. So cheesy. The apple. Bring a crisp and a little sweetness. You guys can do this at home. Use whatever meat you want. Don't use any meat at all. Use vegetables, mushrooms if you want. Or definitely make this sandwich with bacon in it. Oh, I got a little kick of that pepper jack. Ow. Pepper jack. A little spice to my life. Super delicious. Super simple. Great lunchtime. Great dinner. Use whatever bread you want. Typically a panini is made, of course, with Italian bread, but this was multi-grain bread because I wanted all the fiber, extra fiber in here, and you know, the extra vitamins from having a multi-grain bread. So I went with that. Choose whatever bread you have and whatever sliced bread. So here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, you let myself and my team know that you are enjoying what we're putting out for you. And it keeps encouraging us to keep going and moving forward and coming up with different things to create for you or recreate so to speak, right? Because really, that's what everything in life is really about. It's recreating something or actually just originally creating something. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Subscribe. Hang out with us. Hit that notification bell so you can know every time we upload a new video. And sharing is most certainly caring. So if you haven't shared this channel with your family and friends, do so. I love you for it. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And if you do this the way I did it, or maybe even a different way, I would love to hear from you. So put the comment below, because we do read the comments. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really, really do appreciate it. And don't forget, go out and get your book. Be the one that stands out in your clique, because you got the Ma Chefin' book first. You have a twist on boring salads, a salad a day book first. Remember, this is not only going to bless you and your family and the events that you go because of all these beautiful creative salads that you make. It's also going to help support the charity Joseph Dreamhouse, which helps families suffer from food insecurity. So go to Amazon.com. If you don't remember the name of the book, just put Chef Fran Glover, or a salad a day. It should come up that way too. And better yet, just click our link below and you can get this book. It'll be worth two causes: supporting the charity as well as blessing you and your household. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. Love you guys. Bye. Well, here is our turkey apple panini. All of our cheese is deliciously melted. And you can see the apple slices and the turkey and the melted cheese. Oh, and look at that beautiful press and the panini from our grill and our panini, our press, glass press. So yummy.